the pancreas, just to tell you about the anatomy that we have, and then we can correlate it with the ultrasound picture. Now this is the just normal anatomical picture, and we can see pancreas, how is it oriented in the body? It is oriented slightly obliquely. This is in the picture is shown a little low, it is slightly up, and in the epigastric region. Then how do you focus for the pancreas? I've already told you that whenever you start your abdominal scan, the first thing we focus is pancreas. And the reason also I've told you, because the patient will take deep breaths, and as a result air will enter the stomach, and since stomach is lying anterior to the pancreas, it will prevent visualization of the pancreas if air shallows enter into it. Right. Second thing is that how should you keep the probe, and what is your landmark for identifying pancreas? The landmark is otosplenic complex, the comma-shaped otosplenic complex. How do you start focusing? Start from the xiphoesternum, feel the xiphoesternum with your probe, and then slowly slide it down, slide the probe down slowly, angling it slightly up and down like this, bring it, and then identify first the otosplenic complex. Whatever you see anterior to it, same comma-shaped appearance would be the pancreas. Then, in case you feel a problem from the when you are coming down from the epigastrium, ask the patient to take a little deep breath sometimes. Usually it is not required, but some cases you might have to ask the patient to take a deep breath. Second thing, if that position does not work, come a little down and try focusing from down upwards, tilt it upwards. In some cases, if they are difficult ones, then what we have to do is we may ask the patient to sit with his hands at the back like this and the chest pushed out. That may help in some cases. Then, if it is not an emergency, the gas shadows are preventing you from seeing the pancreas, then you can call the patient again after giving gas reducing agents like charcoal tablets. Sometimes you can also give simethicone. What does simethicone do? Two things. One, it absorbs the gases, and two, it forms a coating over the surface of the stomach, which gives you a good window to see. So then water is another very important thing through which you can see the pancreas very well. Whenever you are not able to see the pancreas, just give water to the patient, and stomach will get distended with water. You will get a window through the stomach to see the pancreas. Right? That is a very useful tool for seeing